Good morning, everyone. Today, what we are going to do or what we are going to learn is how to make partitions in your windows. Now, before making partitions, you should know that what are partitions. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to show you something and will ask you what is it. So here is my computer, and there how many partitions you are working? C drive, D drive, E drive, and F drive. I think total how many partitions are there? Four partitions. Let's say I want to make it five or six or seven or 10 or I want to make it three. अगर मुझे तीन ही करने हैं partition, so how you can do that? So understood? First of all, I am telling you the reason why we do partition. Your Windows is generally stored in this drive, C drive. आपकी जो Windows होती है वो C drive में stored होती है. And rest of the data you store in this in these areas. यहाँ पर हम क्या करते हैं अपने बाकी का डेटा को स्टोर करके रखते हैं, right? So it is always recommended that keep your data and your windows separate. हमें हमेशा अपना डेटा और विंडोज जहाँ पर पड़ी है उनको अलग अलग जगह पर रखना चाहिए. तो इसी वजह से हम लोग क्या करते हैं पार्टीशन क्रिएट करते हैं. ओके, दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई वी क्रिएट पार्टीशन. So today I am going to tell you how you can make partitions. Okay. So once again, I want to ask you how many partitions are there? One, two, three, and four. What is the name? C drive, D drive, E drive, and F drive. Now I am going to make one more partition that is known as G drive. Okay. So just have a look very thoroughly what I am going to do now. So the first way to open this dialog box is we are going to open is disk management. What we are going to open? Disk management. Okay. How now the next question arises how we can open it. So what you will do, you will just go to your this PC option. Here is your this PC and then one second. Here is your this PC and then what you can do, you can right click on it and then click on manage option. Okay. So this is something here available and here is disk management. You can see here disk management is available here. As soon as you click on this option, you will get here are the options available. D drive, F drive and E drive. Okay. Now and C drive is here. So you can see here the space in D drive is 331 GB and the space in F drive is 300 GB and the space total size of E drive is 300 GB. Okay. So you can see D drive, E drive and F drive having total memory 331 GB, 300 GB and then 300 GB again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a partition now. So let's say I want to take some space from here. So just click on this drive first of all. What you will do, just click on this drive and then right click. And here you have an option of shrink volume. Okay, you have an option of shrink volume. It is as here total size जो है मेरे ड्राइव का ये है, ठीक, जो मेरे हार्ड डिस्क का है टोटल साइज ये है. अब हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा आई वांट टू श्रिंक. श्रिंक मीन्स होता है कम करना, ठीक. तो लेट्स से आई वांट टू श्रिंक 200 GB. ओके, बट बिफोर यहाँ पर देखो जीबीज नहीं लिखा है, यहाँ पर एमबीज में लिखा है. तो व्हाट आई विल डू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल ओपन माय कैलकुलेटर हियर and we'll check out that how many like second I'm going to check out that how many MBs are there in 30 GB, 300 GB or 200 GB. So what you will do, you will multiply 200 by 1024 by, क्यों हम कर रहे हैं 1024 से मल्टीप्लाई, क्योंकि 1 GB में कितनी MBs होती हैं, 1024, 1 GB is equals to 1024 MB. Okay, and we have to write the size in MB. तो मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि कितना साइज में लिखना है. तो मैंने क्या किया, what I have done is I have written here. So this is the size which I want to separate. Okay, so I'm going to write it 204800. Right. So here I'm going to write 204800. Okay. Now enter the amount of space you want to shrink. इतना स्पेस मैंने अलग कर लिया मेमोरी से और अब मेरी मेमोरी का साइज बचा ये वाला. Now going to the next shrink option. It will take some time. Now you can see here one more memory is allocated. देखो जो E ड्राइव थी उसमें 100 GB स्पेस बचा और जो नेक्स्ट एक ड्राइव बन गई जहां पर 200 GB स्पेस है. Okay, now I'm going to my desktop, my computer option, and here you can see still there are only 4 drives. The size of the E drive is less now. पहले ये 300 था और अब कितना रह गया, सिर्फ 100 GB. Where is the rest of the data? अब हमें क्या करना होगा, वापस जाके इसको एक वॉल्यूम बनानी होगी. How you will create it? Right click and then you will create on new simple volume. Then next button and then yes, next button. And the drive letter which you want to give, you can give any letter. जैसे यहाँ पर C है, D है, E है, हमारा जो मन कर रहे हैं वो लेटर दे. Let's say I want to give U letter. Okay, and then next, and then here you will give the name. Let's say I am going to give here movies. Okay, and then next, and then finish. Okay, so now you can see here how many drives are there, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, second, 1 2 3 4 and 5, D drive, F drive, E drive, U drive and C drive. Now going back to my this area and you can see now how many drives are there, 5 drives, C D E F and U, जिसका मैंने नाम रखा था movies. Okay, this is it. First thing हमने क्या किया, पार्टीशन बना लिया. कैसे बनाया पार्टीशन? Using this management option and clicking on the shrink volume. Fine. So now we have learned about how to make partitions. Now let's say I want to delete partition. I have 5 partitions right now and I want to delete. I want to make it 4. So how you can do it? Again, what you will do, you will, you will go to the disk management option. Let's say I want to delete this. Okay, I want to delete this. So what you will do, you will again right click on it and then click on delete volume. Okay, so I'm going to delete and yes. Now this is deleted. So as you can see here, my drive is gone. So you can see here the volume is deleted, right? But the space of this volume is still 100 GB. Space तो वही है, मेरा 200 GB कहाँ चला गया? So what you will do again, you will just click on this drive जहाँ पर आपको space increase करना है. Okay? जहाँ पर क्या करना है, आपको space increase करना है. You will click on extend volume this time. On which button? Extend volume. and then next. Yeah, so here it is given that what is the space you want to extend. ये कितना है जो हमने कैलकुलेटर में चेक किया था 200 GB. तो ये 200 GB है, इसको हमने नेक्स्ट किया and then finish. So now you can see again 3 partitions are there, and going back to my area, refresh, and now my E drive is full of 300 GB. Okay, I think this is very much clear to all. Fine. So yeah, if your system is hanging, so what you can do is first of all check out that your this drive is full or not. First thing, ये चेक कर लो कि भाई क्या ये मेरी ये ड्राइव फुल है या इसमें मेमोरी कम तो नहीं है. अगर है तो डिलीट सम स्पेस, हैव सम स्पेस इन दिस, बिकॉज इस वाले एरिया में आपकी विंडोज इंस्टॉल्ड है. सेकेंड थिंग, go to the search option and write down run. Go to the search option and write down run. And here you will write percentage TEMP. Percentage TEMP and percentage. Okay. Just have a look. यहाँ पर बहुत सारी फाइल्स आ रखी होंगी. Delete all these files. Shift delete करना है ताकि permanent delete हो जाए. It will enhance the system performance. Okay. And the third thing, कोई delete नहीं हो रहा है तो हम उसको skip कर देंगे. No problem in that. And it is taking some time. Okay, go fast. Fine. So this is done. This is the second step. First step was checking your disk space. Second was running temp command. And the third one is right click on the taskbar. सबसे नीचे हम taskbar पे right click करेंगे and we will click on task manager. Okay, here is task manager. I'm going to click on it and check out the usage of your CPU और memory. अगर ये बहुत ज्यादा हाई जा रहा है, देखो मेरा पहले स्टार्टिंग में 100% शो कर रहा था बिकॉज वो एकदम से होता है, बट अगर सीपीयू का परसेंटेज बहुत ज्यादा हाई जा रहा है तो इट मींस यू हैव सम वायरस इन योर कंप्यूटर और कुछ प्रॉब्लम है आपके सिस्टम में. ओके, तो उसको देख लेना एक बारी. सीपीयू का मैक्सिमम जो यूसेज होता है वो 20%, 25 और 18-19 होता है, इससे ऊपर का नहीं होता है. In the same way, memory you can see 47 memory is utilized. This only 1%. So अगर यहाँ पर space ज़्यादा है, it means there is a problem in your system. Fine. So 3 ways I have told you. First is space, second temp command, and third is this. Fourth one. At times what happens is our desktop is completely filled. देखो मेरा recycle bin कितना fill हो रखा है? नहीं है fill. So what you can do is you can empty your recycle bin regularly. It will increase the system performance in some way. Fine. I think this is clear from my side. Now I'm going to end the today's session right here. In the next one, we'll be going to learn something new. Till then, this is it for the day.